Hi, what is the best business for you to start in 2022? Hi, my name is Regitze. I share little videos around business, money and mindset every day from what I learned from my mentors online like Dan Locke, Neil Patel, Stephen James, Tony Robbins and many others. So don't forget to like, follow and subscribe if you like content like this, and leave a comment below what you'd like to hear more about. But let's get into it. So what's the best business model for you to start in 2022? Well, there's many different business models and it really depends on what you like. Do you want to sell B2B, so business to business? Or do you want to sell B2C, so business to customers, so individual people? And do you want to sell products or services or digital products? With products, physical products, you can have a local store where you sell products from your own store at home maybe, or you have a location where you have a store, or you can sell products on Amazon, or you can sell products on eBay. You can also sell wholesale products, or you can ship it out yourself all over the world. Or you can sell digital products like I do. That can also be a service like coaching, where you sell a digital program and also maybe your time where you give coaching online. And you can also give it individual coaching or group coaching. Or you can sell ebooks or many other digital products. The good thing about digital products is that there's no shipping and handling cost, and the customer gets it right away because it gets to them digitally. They can download it right after they purchase it usually. So comment below what you like and what you're doing, and don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, and leave a comment below. Take care, bye!